So composition of function. Okay. So we will have a review or recall about the composition of function. Okay. Let's say the given is f of g of 3, okay, using the table. Since some of you are asking for this one, so we will have a review. Okay. So using a table, how do we evaluate this particular function? So how do we evaluate this particular function? Let's say the given values are 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have 6, 8, 3, 1, 3, 5, 2, 7. Okay? So how do we evaluate this particular composition of function? So it means that f of g of 3 means that f of g of 3. Okay? f of g of 3 means f of g of 3. Okay? So the 3 here, you're referring to x value. Okay? So where is x here? 1, 2, 3. So this is it. Okay? So 3. And then look for the g of x. So 3, the g of x of that one is 2. Okay? So 3, that will be your x. So the g of x of 3, based on the table, is 2. So therefore, f of 2. So your g of 3 is 2. Okay? Now, how do we solve for f of 2? Okay? When we say 2 here, you're referring to x. So nasaan si x? Ito si 2. So the f of 2 is 8. The f of 2 is 8. Because when we say f of 2 is the same as f of x. Okay? X. Your 2 here pertaining to x. So this is your x, which is 2. So what is f of 2? So that is 8. So the answer is 8. Okay? So that is how do we evaluate composition of function using a table. Another example. Let's say the given is g of f of 3. Okay? g of f of 3. It means that g of f of 3. Okay? That's the meaning of composition. G of f of 3. So 3 here, you're referring to your x. So x, ito yung 3. Okay? So what is your f of 3? So f of 3, yung kapantay ni 3, which is this one. Okay? It corresponds to 3. So meaning f of 3 is 3. So therefore, g of 3, okay? So g of 3. So 3 ulit here. But this time, we're looking for g of x. So g of x, g of 3, okay? G of 3 is 2. So your answer is 2. G of 3 is 2. Okay? F of 3 is 3. F of 3 is 3. So that is how we evaluate composition of function using table. Is it clear, people? Clear na? How do we evaluate? Okay. What about formula? How do we evaluate? If the given is a formula. Okay, we're just having a review. So how do we evaluate if the given is a formula? Let's say the given is f of t is equal to t squared minus t, and h of x is equal to 3x plus 2. Okay? So we need to evaluate f of h of 1. Okay? F of h of 1. It means that f of h of 1. Okay? F of h of 1. So your x here is 1. So we need first to get h of 1. Okay? H of 1 muna. So h of 1 is equal to 3x plus 2. So we have 3 multiplied by 1 plus 2. So that will be 5. So 5. So h of 1 is 5. So therefore, what is your f of 5? Since that h of 1 is 5. So what is your f of 5? So meaning, you need to substitute 5 to your f function here. So that will become t squared minus p. So you do have 5 squared minus 5. So you do have 20. So f of 5 is 20. So that's how we evaluate composition of function given a formula. The other one is given the table, and then this time given a formula. Okay? That's only a review on a composition of function.